Yeah, I love Cantawan. I've been coming back here. I think this is my third time. The first time we came here, we were looking at that building that we donated, the SITA, which was one of the president of the SITA Las Vegas, CIT Alumni Association. I'm glad the building is now functional and working. It's just we try to work out a pump and then the pump at the restaurant so you don't have water. Now the second time we were here, we were just visiting, and now this is the third, and we're glad we have the chance to coordinate with Engineer Rodel Forfeit from New York that we would like to feed at least 1,000 people or 1,000 kids. That's why it's called Bonding with the Kids. So, and with the presence of the mascot of Jollibee, which brought happiness to the kids, we appreciate it. And we have also the visitor of 2010, Rina Malinaw. So this affair is very good to us, and in a way that we are very, not only that we brought food, we brought entertainment, and we brought the beauty queen of 2010. So, thank you very much. We will continue to do this, and I will give the road to private kiss in my wife. This is Tony Nadia Turanina, practicing lawyer in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Hello everyone, I'm so impressed with the children. Last time I was here, I didn't see all of you. Now that you're here in front of me and seeing you perform, I am so happy, and I did tell you, keep on studying. When I was at your age, I was not as pretty as you. I was not really that pretty. Okay, but then when you work hard, when you become a teacher, a nurse, a doctor, or a lawyer like me. So, and also, by the way, I didn't also have any money. There was no engineer who helped feed me. I was so skinny because I didn't have very much food. But now you knew how we went through. Kasi balik ka mo English kayo, binisayo na ko. Para niya sa mga bata, okay? Because I have the chance to talk to you. Kamu, kinahanglan yun na mubuon kada adlaw. Inyong paginaon ang inyong mga ginikanan ay kilatan ang gusto man na mahimo ko na maayo gato na tao. Ang lain-lain ako, lain-lain. Kada-usa sa inyo na amo destiny, because destiny. Some of you may become Miss Cebu, ang mga drama. Di ba ko mahimo yung masibo mo na nag-attorney ko? So, ito mo kay hindi kayo tagwapan, hindi kayo tataas, pinahanglang mas taas ang atong pag-eskulta. Ano pa, i-eskulta mo, mga to kag high school, college, mga to kag Thomas College, tuwang pa na, kinakan ayo mo na, magkuha kag master, na mahimo ako, na wala na problema. Ang inyong maestra, din sa eskwelahan, paminawag din nyo kay sila ang inyong ayuhan mo ilang pangandoy. Ako natudlo ko ni Ato, mas successful ang muwa na ako mga bata, mangilang ko ko sa kalipay. Muna nga tinanan, mutakad mo na ako nga later on in life, ibalik na ko mga graduate ko mo. E mubalik me every now and then. And iwali man din. And you know, who knows? Kung ngayon mas-successful na ninyo, ay ninyo yung attorney Juralike, engineer Juralike, naayo siya reward ninyo. Diba? Wala. Basta maayo, balitan. Amo na i-coordinate sa inyong eskwelahan at kung sa among i-reward sa inyong top student mo kung sa na may mga reward. Pero ang inyong pagtuli tungkol ka na may reward. Ang among gusto, mahuman mong tanan. Na makatabang mo sa inyong mga ginikanan. Isa mo, promise mo? Promise? Ako, that's it. And I'm so happy that the teachers and officials are so dedicated in raising this case. I'm so impressed that they can dance very well too. Because you know, it's not just school, you also have to dance, to sing. Kind of a rounded personality. So I'm so glad that I saw for the first time na doon ang may program. Kaya last time, wala to program tayo. So, that's part of growing up. Ngayon, no, if you know how to sing, develop it. If you know how to dance, develop it. Kaya that's the way na ma-discover mo sa mga dapat hunos. So the dream is, your dream is you all finish high school, college, mag-i-istan mo kami, mag-nurse mo. Okay? Thank you, and we're so happy. Thank you very much.
Before I give my inspirational speech, mahatag ko sa akong pasalamat ng Engineer William Forte for bringing me here. Nabisag ko man ang ako ngayon as Miss Cebu, I am still given the opportunity to reach out to you. But thank you very much to all of you who are inspiration to kids like them. Ang ako yan, hindi kay gusto ko na magpahibaw sa tanan niya, especially ninyong kids, nga dili ko mahimong Miss Cebu kung wala akong eskwela. Kung importante kaayo that you go to school and achieve the best that you can in school. Ano ko na ko, dapat everyday mo muskulaan, dili lang mo putok ganni. Mo dream mo daghan pa kung ma-achieve sa kinabuhi. You should become doctors and teachers, katulad ni Tita Nadia, and eventually, mahimo mo nga inspiration sa ubang tao makatabang mo. And I hope na your works, Sir Rudy, and everyone like Tita Nadia and Tita Romy will continue and will even expand. And sa mga teachers, inspiring po tayo nga even this far na ako nga you could have chosen to work farther from here, but it shows here, papakanagar yung mga teachers. And I hope I can be coming back here to inspire more kids. And sa sunod, magdakog mas daghan pa nga Miss Cebu. Daghan kayo, salamat. Magdakog daghan Miss Cebu. Actually, we have wanted to come today, pero namin sila lang activity. So, mamili ang yung Miss Cebu, si Mia, Ali Faribon, and the rest of the winners sa sunod niya kayo. Daghang salamat at maayong bunfay. Kapag karatang naman.
Actually, this little idea to have a party with you tonight, karong gabi apuna, na tao sa among pag-istorya ni Cebu, na buhatag ng inspirational talk ang sa ato ninyo, dahil I know that you idolize our beauties in Cebu. And then I proposed it to our friends from Las Vegas, Romy and Nadia, and they wholeheartedly supported. So karon, ni Anami, and aside from that, niapod ang atong master, Lipano. So salamat kayo sa faculty sa atong public school. Big hand to them. Papakan na sila. Thank you to our guests, all of our guests here, barangay officials and captain, and also I would like to recognize akong doon natin mga bisita na din karon. And doon mo inaugurate na doon sa building itong dinonate sa Seattle Alumni Association o sa Corona Visayan Club sa Hawaii o sa karoon na niya si Dr. Henyo. Where's Dr. Henyo? Dr. Henyo is from Hawaii. And he came here to represent the Kona Visayan Club sa Hawaii. Tanaw siya dito sa itong building. Nakita nila ang Lunagi building. And also we have another alumni from CIT, Engineer Lito Rodel. He is also one of our best supporters. Sa papainula ko ng hill, ako nakasakay sa aeroplano na nurse gikan sa Minnesota, pero doon na magtrabaho sa New York City, Manhattan. So, istorya kami, ako sa nagbawaan na naasag siya sa mga lain-lain charges nga iyan isundan na karon. Si Meg Nicolay. Thank you. Bago lang may kailan, nagsakailan na sa tuwan ng kailan. And also, aside from all of you, salamat ninyo mga kabataan. Ayun mo kalimot sa ilang itamag, ha? At least one of you, some of you, but I hope many of you, mulampo sa inyong in all your endeavors sa kinabuhi, inyong mabalik mo din, ug tabangan ninyo ang mga nabilin dito sa ato, okay? Deal? Okay. Lastly, I'd like to thank my family who have been supporting me in all these activities I'm doing here in the water system, buildings here, my brothers, my nephews, and my brother here. My sister Dalene, and all my nephews and their wives and children here. Thank you, everybody. Salamat ninyo sa inyong pagkama naman, okay? Thanks.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love is all we need.